Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto FlipGrid. Okay, so here we are in the Classwork tab of Google Classroom. This is where all of your art assignments will show up. If you click on an assignment, it will give you the directions and there will always be a link to your class's FlipGrid. Right now I'm looking at 3rd grade, so the link says flipgrid.com/biomart3. The number will change for your grade level. Let's click on that. Okay, so here we are on the FlipGrid page for your grade level. You can log in with your school email by pressing this button and then typing in your CPSlions email address and password. Okay, so here we are in FlipGrid, and now it's time for you to upload your own video. Every week, this page will change with a new project and a new assignment for you. If there's a teacher video included, it will be right here and you can watch that video. When you're ready to upload your video response, you click on either one of these big red buttons. Record your video and take a selfie. Make sure you allow FlipGrid to use your camera and microphone. When you're ready to start recording, you will be brought to a screen like this. You will see another red button to start recording. And the cool thing is you can actually pause your recording at any time by pressing this red button again and again and again. The last thing you're going to need to do is take a selfie. That's a picture to go along with your video. The cool thing about selfies is you can also add special effects like emojis, and you can put those right in your picture. I believe you can draw. Yep, you can draw designs on your picture. And then when you're ready, you smile, say cheese. After you make your video and you take your selfie, you can type your name here and a title for your video. When you're done, hit the submit button and your video will be added to the class FlipGrid. Now it's time to go back to Google Classroom. Now that you completed your video inside FlipGrid, you need to mark it as completed in your Google Classroom. So you're going to come back to your assignment here and scroll down a little bit until you see this little bubble that says, I uploaded my video to FlipGrid. Click that and then come over here to the Turn In button. Make sure you press that button so I know you did all of your work this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. I can't wait to see your videos and I can't wait to meet you all.